Well, new tonight, the Missouri Attorney General taking legal action against the company behind a drug called gas station heroin. Casey-based company American Shaman is the region's largest manufacturer of synthetic 7-OH. It's a product regularly sold at gas stations and has been compared to traditional opioids due to its effects.
But there's evidence is overwhelming that 7-OH is re-addicting people who are trying to recover from opioid addictions, addicting for the first time people who think it's some safe natural product, and killing people. We got to put a stop to it.
In fact, our Isabella Ladon has covered the impact of 7-OH extensively in our I-Team series, Strong High, Weak Loss. Tonight, she breaks down the lawsuit and response from the company.
Amid state and federal investigations, Casey company American Shaman could now be facing legal consequences.
It's a synthetic opioid that is being distributed over the counter in Missouri. We believe it is deadly.
American Shaman's founder, Vince Sanders, told me he created synthetic 7-OH 3 years ago. It's a derivative from the natural leaf plant kratom.
We do a conversion of this mitragynine into 7-OH.
Since then, Missouri's poison control has seen a spike in mitragynine overdoses and withdrawals tied to 7-OH. I obtained records that link the active ingredient in 7-OH to at least 9 metro deaths.
They're swapping these things out thinking they're a safe thing to swap out. And what we're seeing is a lot of overdose situations.
The widespread misuse prompted the Missouri Attorney General to launch an investigation into American Shaman and several Missouri lawmakers to propose an outright ban.
This drug is ruining lives in the state.
The AG's lawsuit alleges that American Shaman's 7-OH products are stronger than what the label says. They're marketed as a safe alternative for painkillers, and American Shaman continued to sell the drug after the FDA seized more than 73,000 products.
The actual chemical composition and dose are very different often than what's in the label. This also makes it hard for the nurses and pharmacists on the poison help hotline at the center to really know exactly what a person has actually taken.
Attorney General Catherine Hanaway wants the company to shut down and asked the court to stop 7-OH sales while the lawsuit moves forward.
Shut down American Shaman as soon as possible so that no more Missourians can be hurt and or killed by this product.
In a statement following the AG's lawsuit, Sanders says, "We have consistently maintained that our products are safe and we've been transparent in sharing the scientific support and quality information behind them. We intend to defend this case and continue to serve our customers. If the company is found liable, they could face up to $1,000 in fines per violation." In Kansas City, Isabella Ladon, KSHB 41 News.
Folks, be sure to scan the QR code on your screen to learn more about 7-OH and kratom. As we mentioned, Isabella has been covering this issue for months in her series, Strong High, Weak Loss.